Welcome, children, to creative writing. Today, we shall learn about recipe writing, that is, how to write a recipe. Cooking is an art, and recipe writing is also an art. So, why recipe writing is important? Children learn how to read and write step by step instructions. It allows them to use expressions and vocabulary about cooking. They learn about new words about cooking. It enhances the basic math skill of students, like 3/4 of a cup, 2 teaspoons. This is measurement. It explores the senses, the sense of sound, smell, taste, like the whir of a mixer. This is the sound of a mixie. It expands your palate. Palate means your taste. Introduces you to foods and flavor. Mm, and this will help the children to improve their writing skill. So, what is a recipe? A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing food or drink. Now, let's see the parts of a recipe. Title, that tells us what we are making. Then the equipment, this tells us what we need, such as bowls, spoons, pots, pans, tawas, etc. Then the ingredients, what items we use to make the dish. The instruction, the method or steps for preparation, like wash, cut, chop, add, mix, stir, cook, etc. And so now the list of ingredients will tell you what and how much you need to make the food, and we have words that you can use along with it, like grams, a piece of, a slice of, a pinch of, a dash of, a cup of, a teaspoon of, a packet of, half a liter, quarter liter, etc. Then cooking vocabulary on a high flame, low flame, in a pan, in a bowl, in a pot, in the oven, in the microwave, in the freezer, in the fridge, in a cool place. Then cooking vocabulary like to boil, steam, grill, roast, brown, melt, to beat, to add, to mix, to pour, knead, bake, heat, fry, peel, cut, chop, slice, blend, rinse, grate, smash. So we have a variety of vocabulary for cooking. Rules for recipe writing. When you write a recipe, first put the steps in correct order and number them. This is only called as step by step instruction. Start a new line for each step. Use the imperative or command. We should never say we will fry the meat and we will boil the water. No, you should not use statements. You have to use the imperative method, like fry the meat, boil the water. Use abbreviations to express quantities: G for gram, LB for pound, tablespoon, teaspoon, etc. Keep your sentences short to make your recipe writing attractive. Now, format for recipe writing: title of recipe, ingredients, preparation. Now, I have picture of packeted food here. Oats, Saffola oats, they give you 3 recipes also. I have expanded one for your convenience. We have the title Saffola oats buttermilk, ingredients, and then we have the recipe or the method of preparation. Now we have a task here in the textbook. How do you cook rice in your house? Go through this and I shall just show you how to do it. Preparation of rice. So, step 1, take 1 cup of uncooked rice, wash the rice, drain the water, boil 3 cups of water, add the rice, cook for 15 minutes. Rice is ready, serve hot. Now, this is a visual presentation of step by step instructions. Now, let's see how to put it in writing. Recipe: rice. Ingredients: 1 cup of uncooked white rice. We can use any branded rice also. Uncooked basmati rice. 3 cups of water. Then preparation: wash the rice until water is clear. Drain the water and keep aside. In a medium sized pan, bring water to boil. Add the rinsed and washed rice. Reduce the heat, cover the pan, let it cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Check after 15 minutes to see if all the water has evaporated. If not, replace the lid and simmer for 5 more minutes. Remove from the heat. Rice is ready. Serve hot with chicken curry and vegetables. I have a home task here for you, children. Write a recipe for the following: preparation of tea, preparation of noodles. I'm sure you'll be able to do this. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.